Welcome to Asimcode. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about function parameters in Bash. Functions can accept parameters. The first parameter is stored in $1. The second parameter is stored in $2, etc. $@ contains all of the parameters. $0 is the script itself, not function name. Now we are going to see example of this function which takes a parameter. I already added a shebang and a bin bash. Now I'm going to define a function by using a function keyword and function name hello with parentheses and the curly braces. And I'm going to do echo and I'm going to write double quote over here hello, and the parameters value $1. So our first parameter is stored in a $1, and now I'm going to call this function. To call this function, I need to use the name of a function and also give the parameter that will be a sim. This parameter will be stored in $1, and when we run the program, it should print echo hello awesome. Okay, just need to save it and try and see if it works. And here's the output, hello awesome. Now I'm going to look through all the parameters passed into hello function. Let's see how to do it. Now I'm going to remove this echo hello, or just leave it over there. Let's see how I'm going to add for loop, and here will be a name in $add. $add sign has all our parameters passed to this function. So we are going to look through all the parameters, and over here do echo hello, and $1 is replaced with $name. And after we are done, we need to use the done keyword and just save it. And when I'm passing parameters, I can add one more parameter. It's just my last name. It's gonna be hello Asim Iqbal. Let's save it and run our program and see how it works. Just gonna save our program. So here is the output, hello Asim and hello Iqbal. So first time it takes the first parameter, that is Asim, and it's gonna print hello Asim, and then it's going to print the second parameter, that is Iqbal, so hello Iqbal. This way we can pass in parameters to bash function and also print all those parameters by looping through it. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Asimcode. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.